I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just going to let you continue to have it.
We're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Why are you growling? No!
I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass.
I took the drugs and the drugs are working. And the drugs are working. I took the drugs and the drugs are working. Took the drugs.
Look at all the catnip. Was it you?